Name is Chillo Chilly Chills. I hope you understand what I'm all about, man.
Yes.
Don't say Makaya. Bonella nawe. We out here. Yeah. Watch out for that kid in the imagination. Hey, let me drop something. Jay, yo. No more news, Jay. Always, yo. By Higgs of Makaya, I speak on props, yo. Yo, this bar. Yeah. Yo. Hey, unrealistic, so it had to be a dream. Ever since I came here, I had something to achieve. Chita Chong, nothing is really as it seems. 13 years of a few team. Unrealistic, so it had to be a dream. Ever since I came here, I had something to achieve. Chita Chong, nothing is really as it seems. 13 years of a few team. Unrealistic, so we gotta keep guessing. Rappers spit hard, but they sound like plastic. Unrealistic, so they gotta follow trends. Tell me how you gon' make it with 2 curved hands. I'm on be so for a brain. No, they are not insane. From the energy they giving me, I feel the negativity. Faking their reality like they are on TV. Real housewives, boys ain't got balls. Play safe in the night, cause them boys got toys. Q sign up, so they wonder what it means. Since when did y'all know anything? I'm real, so real, I define too real, but that's unrealistic. Who can keep it real on an unrealistic track? If I say you dope in this track, then you really whack. I was going name drop, but you know yourself. Unrealistic is when you lie to yourself. They claim God was white. Wait, tell me something real, and if God was white, what would black be? Unrealistic found real in the same word, like cows are the same herd. Alphabets in the word help me find what's real. They like, oh, that's chill. You sign up, emakhaya, shoda nje ingomo, senkambini. Yawo, yeah.